Tired of endless promo emails, outdated newsletters, and clutter that buries the stuff you actually care about? Clean Email's unsubscriber tool helps you stop unwanted emails, pause noisy senders, and organize what you want to keep all in one place. When using the unsubscriber feature, we attempt to remove your email from the sender's mailing list to prevent future emails. However, this is not always successful due to broken links or ignored requests. Some senders may continue to email you for a short period until your email is fully removed from their system. If unsubscribing fails or the sender continues to email you, Clean Email will automatically block the sender and trash all future emails from them. Here's a step-by-step guide to using the unsubscriber. Step 1. Access the unsubscriber tool from the Clean Email homepage. Click Unsubscribe from mailing lists or find it in the left-hand menu. This opens up a view of reoccurring senders cluttering your inbox, like newsletters. Step 2. View and manage your subscriptions. Inside the Unsubscriber tab, you'll see subscriptions you haven't reviewed listed under the New tab. Clean Email automatically groups all emails from a subscriber so you can review everything in one organized place. They're automatically sorted by most recent senders at the top. For each sender, you can unsubscribe, stop future emails, and delete all past ones. Pause temporarily stops emails without unsubscribing. It trashes emails as they come, silently. This is recommended when there is a suspicion that the sender is not legit and they only use unsubscribe links as a honeypot to confirm people read those emails so they can send more. This is something that users have to decide on. Clean Email cannot really foresee that. Next is Keep Receiving. No changes made. Click the arrow next to Keep Receiving for more actions. Read Later, which sends messages to a dedicated Read Later folder so they don't clutter your inbox and can be reviewed at your convenience. Deliver to folder. Choose or create a folder where these emails will go. Keep Newest. Keeps only the latest messages from a sender and auto-deletes the rest. You can also click Sender Settings at the bottom to unsubscribe directly from here. Mute future messages. If you mute a sender, Clean Email will continue to deliver the sender's future messages to your inbox, but will automatically mark them as read upon receiving them. Create custom rules. Archive, move to a folder, mark as read, pause or resume delivery. Set delivery location, auto-delete after a set time frame, star specific senders, and keep Newest. Step 3. Bulk manage subscriptions. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see options to manage subscriptions in bulk. View total number of subscriptions on the left, select all to perform bulk actions, sort senders by name or email address alphabetically, or email volume. Helpful for spotting your top offenders. After selecting senders, you can hit unsubscribe in bulk. And if you click the More button with the 3 dots in the right corner, you have the option to pause emails, mark as read later, deliver to a folder, keep only the newest messages. Step 4. View and manage past decisions. At the top of the unsubscriber, you'll find 4 tabs. New, which we have just gone through, and then unsubscribed, see all senders you've subscribed from, and if you change your mind about a sender, click unblock to start receiving messages from that sender again. Or click the arrow next to unblock where you'll have the option to deliver to read later, or deliver to a folder. Unblocking a sender showing as unsubscribed may not always be enough. That only works if a sender confirmed unsubscribed but still sends emails in case you are unsubscribed. You will also have to subscribe to that sender from their homepage, depending on how they initially subscribed. Review. This tab will only show if it's relevant. Some unsubscribe links redirect people to pages that include additional forms, logins, etc. In such cases, the sender will show under review, and clicking on Manage will redirect the unsubscribe pages that sender needs to go through, depending on each situation. Paused. If you paused any senders, you will see them here and you can unblock or unsubscribe from them from here. Again, you have an arrow next to the unblock button, which gives you more management options. Step 5. Maintain a clean inbox. To make the most of Clean Email, here's a suggested workflow to keep your inbox clean long term. Open the unsubscriber tab, sort senders by number of messages, unsubscribe or pause anything you're not actively reading. Use read later for content you want to check eventually but don't need right now. And then monthly, visit the unsubscribed, pause, and review tabs. Unblock and resubscribe to any senders you want back. Adjust or delete old rules you no longer need. Set up auto-delete rules for newsletters that expire quickly, for example, daily deals. As needed, use Select All to mass unsubscribe during seasonal inbox cleanups. Turn on Keep Newest for things like flight alerts or shopping updates that don't need to stack up. Create folders for topics you want to separate from your main inbox, like jobs, hobbies, or events. And that's it! Clean Emails Unsubscriber gives you full control over your inbox, making it easier to cut through the noise, stay organized, and actually see emails that matter. Try it now and give your inbox the reset it deserves.